Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to another episode, and today we are going to do a small workshop on digital marketing in AI era and how to use a smart strategy in 2025. So this conversation is going to give you an overview of what are the benefits of AI in digital marketing. So if you are one of these, like an aspiring digital marketer, a small business owner, or a content creator, or a solo entrepreneur, you want to use digital marketing for your business growth, or you are just starting your journey in learning digital marketing, then this conversation is going to be helpful for you. So let us begin some housekeeping work. This workshop is going to be like 60-minute long, and we are going to divide the major area of discussion as like a simple introduction on what is digital marketing. Then we'll discuss about some fundamentals, and then we'll look at the various type of AI uses that we can do for digital marketing, and later we will also learn how optimization work for the large language model, like how you can optimize large language model for your website promotion, and we'll do a little bit of case study, and then these are the major outline. We'll look at what are the tools available that you can use and what are their benefits. So these are the major goal of this workshop, and I hope you enjoy. So dear friends, these are the major agenda that I just discussed. That we'll first discuss about the fundamental of digital marketing and how it is helpful for you. We'll also discuss about some of the optimization techniques and how you can start digital marketing. First thing first, when we talk about AI, what is the first word in your mind? It is nothing but ChatGPT. So I just asked Google when ChatGPT was released. It was November 30, 2022. So after that, if we look at the age of these tool AI model, then it is not more than 2.5 years. And when I am recording this video, within these 2.5 years, AI has revolutionized the whole market. It changed the coding style. It's changed how you analyze your data. And I'm talking about only the mediocre small business. I'm not talking about how enterprises using AI. We are now depending on AI for many tasks that it can do faster than human. Now, I'm not comparing how human is better than AI or AI is better than human, but there is a change we are facing now. I'm sharing you a personal experience how AI is helpful for me. My CPU is creating a noise when I am trying to start it, and I try to find out what is the reason behind it. I just share the motherboard specification with AI and ask a simple prompt, act as a computer hardware engineer, and suggest me why my computer is making a weird sound when I am starting it. AI responds the reasons, and it mentioned that probably the CPU has some dust. So this just an example image. Actually, it was not so dirty. I found that really the fan was the problem, and I clean it, and then the CPU is running fine. This is how actually people are depending on AI for solving their problem. How it is related to digital marketer. I was looking at a very recent news that AI is going to set up their large data center in Texas, and it is going to be a joint project with other big organization, a tech giant like Oracle and SoftBank, and it is going to be a very large data center that is going to process the request you and me send to AI for getting an answer. So it is going to change the whole way of work in near future, and as well as the marketing, the data driven marketing and data driven digital marketing. To understand digital marketing in a better way, first we have to understand what is exactly marketing. As a layman, by marketing we understand just promoting a product or service, like doing advertisement. So it includes researching the market and sending your message to the right person who actually need your product, and you are solving problem of that specific group of customer. So marketing is a very broad subject indeed, but for understanding this in a layman point of view, this definition is good, that marketing refers to a broad practice of promoting and selling product and service, including market research and advertisement. So if we think about the traditional process of marketing, it is like sending the message to the right audience. Somebody who is a marketing guy and doing the marketing for you, he is actually promoting your product or service to the target audience. The common way of sending this message was like radio, television commercial, print media sending some advertisement on the newspaper, or just giving a big billboard on like Times Square. So are these already working? And my question is, are these obsolete now? The answer is no. They are still there. They are still, people use newspaper, and newspaper advertisement is a very significant part for any business, especially if you are a big corporate giant or enterprise, or sending direct mail. Even today we got some mail from the mailbox that you need a credit card, you need a bank account. So these marketing processes are still available. Some are in person, some are sending this to a media. Now, how the digital marketing is going to change that era? In digital marketing, you are getting opportunity to reach your customer very quickly through social media like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, or TikTok. You can do email marketing for them, doing search engine optimization and driving traffic to your website, starting a blog and writing about your services and activities that you generally do. You can also use YouTube as a platform where you can create video, reels, and this is also now known as the influencer marketing. So the medium is changed to digital format, and that's why this marketing format is known as digital marketing, where you get opportunity to respond to your customer in real time, very quickly, and you can also interact with the customer, like putting your product on a live event, like live Facebook live or YouTube live, etc. So as a result, these are the major key difference in these two marketing format. First of all, in terms of channels, you can get those channels. Some of the channels are free of cost, like you can just start doing this using your webcam or your mobile phone, and so you don't need to go to the newspaper office for the advertisement, and you don't need to go to radio office for the advertisement. Now these are easy. As a result, the reach is high because you can reach globally. You can reach people sitting in Asia, in America, using your channel, using your social media. The cost is less, but if you want some strategies like marketing strategies, campaign, the cost is little bit less, more less compared to other format like TV or newspaper. But digital marketing is not absolutely free of cost, because if you want to use some strategies, some specialist, there is a cost involved. What you are getting a better analytics. It was very hard to track who actually listening to your radio commercial, who is listening to your TV commercial or watching your TV commercial. But now it is possible. You can see how many people are viewing your video. You can see how many people are listening your podcast on Spotify, etc. So here the communication become two directional. In the traditional marketing there was one directional communication. Now it is two dimensional. That means you can get comments, DM, etc. from the customer, and the speed is comparatively high. Now this is the basic difference between the traditional marketing and the digital marketing. The question is that how AI is going to help us. So dear friend, from this conversation we understand the major difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So you can start marketing, it is very fast through this digital media, but how to optimize this is a big challenge. So understanding the essential strategies that is very important for optimizing this channel is very important. Here AI can play a very significant role. Why AI is better for digital marketer? This, first of all, using AI you can scale and personalize the demand. You can find out what exactly work and what is not going to work, because AI is just helping you as an expert from the data and information available on the internet. So modern customers are looking for more more better quality whatever service you are giving. So in that case AI can help you exactly what kind of information your customer, or what kind of quality your customers are looking for in a particular product. So when you enable AI in your marketing, you can present that information in a better way with some good ideas. Of course you have to utilize your own creativity for guiding the AI, because if you are only depending on AI instead of using your own creativity, that will definitely create some sort of jam. So first of all, digital marketer will need to understand that we are living in a world where data is available all over. Whatever business you are doing, you can find relevant data very quickly. So here you can look at your channels, what the social media you are using, what is your web analytics, like how your website is performing. Do you have any CRM where you are actually collecting your customer related data so that you can reach them? Are you using any email platform where emails can be served to your customer for informing them about your new promotion and new product? So AI can process and find out these data, especially how to utilize this data. It can streamline this process. Here you can study on the customer behavior. You can get more idea how to design your promotional item or campaigns. So all these are possible through AI. Now I want to emphasize on AI for the digital marketing activities, because this is a combination of knowledge that can give you more advantage when you are dealing with any digital marketing related tasks. Decision making is actually a very difficult part for any business owner or marketer. Here AI can take the decision very fast, and it can also give you reason why it is taking this kind of decision. So here you can observe this, and at a very quick time you are getting a personalized answer based on your question. So that is helpful for decision making. The first thing is decision making, and AI is helping with that. Now the next thing is content creation and scaling, because you want to reach more customer, and for that you need more content, and content plays like a well in the journey of digital marketing. So without content it is very hard to run a digital marketing campaign. So here content idea, content optimization, and this are the area where AI can be very helpful. Now AI assisted content creation become a very trending topic nowadays, because not only creating audio, video, not only creating just text, it is helping in creating audio, video, and even people are able to make whole feature film based on AI generated video and etc. So AI adaptation is actually accelerating the journey of your digital marketing, and here AI is giving you the efficiency. You can do a small task very quickly compared to the old traditional way of digital marketing. Here you can get more effectiveness, more accuracy. Sometimes human error were very common. When you are writing a blog post, you can get some spelling mistakes, some lack of depth in the topic. Here AI is helping you with this information with like tool like Grammarly can quickly rephrase a sentence, can correct your English, which is very helpful, and as a result you can give a better customer experience. So here there are some downside also, but we'll talk about one by one. First of all, as a digital marketer, what are the major channels you need to target? Let's talk about this. So from this conversation we are getting a summary that what you will have learned till now, that you understand what is digital marketing. So promoting your product, service or brand through digital channel. You understand that it is connecting to a audience who actually want to solve their problem, and you are going to help with your product or service, and it encompasses all the marketing effort using electronics devices and the internet. Here various form of content plays a very significant role, whether it is audio, video or writing, and here you can integrate multiple channels, and as a result you can also track the customer's journey, how customers came to your website and how they purchase the product. And here data-driven approach is very significant for decision making, how to set your strategies. So these are a complete idea of a digital marketing. Now we are going to discuss about what are the channels of digital marketing. So major channels are SEO, search engine optimization, SEM, search engine marketing, email, social media, content and affiliation. I think you already familiar with all of them, so we don't need to discuss this. Just a quick reminder and just making this conversation helpful. Search engine optimization is like you want to rank at the first position on the search engine's results, especially that is going to give you organic traffic, and that involves doing keyword research, optimizing your page and doing some on-page technical SEO. It also includes link building and increasing the visibility of your web page so that Google, especially other search engine in Google, can find your website, and when somebody is searching for this product, it will rank at the top. Now, there are many combinations of keywords available for a specific service. Maybe you are not top in all kind of keyword, but if you can become a top ranker in terms of any content like your blog post, website, or your video, you will get maximum number of traffic, or this traffic could be a potential customer for your business. Now, what is SEM? SEM means search engine marketing. That means you are going to buy some paid advertisement from the search engine, and search engine will show those advertisement when somebody is searching something through their website. Now you have to pay some money, like pay per click on this campaign, which is very simple to understand. But when you look at the process, how to run a campaign, how to manage this campaign, this is a whole bunch of knowledge that required some expertise, experience, and some training based on this area. So it will be easy if you start a new website, start a little bit of search engine optimization, SEM for your own website, then gradually you will learn how to do this for other. Now the next thing is email marketing. Email marketing means you are sending email to your potential customer, and this email is sharing about your promotion. Generally we don't see those promotional email. When you open your Gmail, you find many emails are like promotional email, and very few people are give a little bit of importance to them, especially if you are living in a country like US or other. You don't have time to look at these promotional emails, just ignore them. But there is a potential. Some people are interested when they find these emails are informative for them. Social media marketing, people spend a lot of time in watching videos and reels, because these are kind of entertainment format, and these are kind of visually good. When you watch something like you love to see gadgets, and somebody is like unboxing gadgets, so this is a kind of entertainment. Potentially you are not going to buy, but maybe it influencing your buying decision in future. And content marketing is like creating blog posts, videos, podcast, infographics, white paper, webinar, or workshop. And these are basically educational as well as entertaining material for the potential customer. There are some potential other way of doing marketing like affiliate, but now the most important thing is optimizing the LLM, the AI based answer, so that AI suggests your website as a informative website about a topic. And of course, affiliate marketing is one of the very oldest way of promoting your product, like you are getting a commission for selling something. Now, how to optimize this marketing process? This is digital marketing optimization. I'm not talking about only search engine optimization, optimizing the whole digital marketing in under one umbrella. So when we talk about optimization, what you are going to optimize? That is a big question. So you are going to optimize your whole digital marketing process. So here you have to find and analyze some of the data relevant to your activities. Without the data, there is nothing to do optimize. These data are like how many people are visiting your website, your social media channel, how many people are interested in your product, how your digital campaigns are working, how many views you are getting on your video and reels and all those things. So when it is about data-driven decision making, you can maximize these conversion or profit when you are efficiently using all the channels. and you are investing a good amount of time in all those areas, and you are taking help from digital marketers who can help you with these activities. Now here the first thing first is the CRO, which means conversion rate optimization. CRO is a kind of practice where you see who are your website visitors and how long they are spending time on your site. Are they sign up for the newsletter? Are they purchasing your product or calling you for an appointment or filling the contact form? So these are the area from where you can actually get the lead. Now the question is that how to track those conversion. What are the tools available for tracking them? So CRO, there are tools available, you know that, but these are the way we can look at how we are performing in digital marketing. So first thing first is you need an analytics tool that can give you those data. So there are many tools available. Very popular that in your mind is Google Analytics, understanding Google Analytics. So when you are starting a website and you are looking at those data and you will see the performance of your site is little bit improving day by day, you can use these data and plot them to an analytics tool. Look at the heat map. You can look at the how long the sessions are working in a site. Are they filling the contact form or calling you for the lead? What are the call to action button you are using? Are they prominent or good looking on the site? And you can do a little bit of A/B testing. That means if the layout A is not working, then let's move to layout B and let's improve the performance of the campaign through those kind of things. Here the most important thing is understanding the customer journey map. That means if there is a conversion that one person is visiting your site and buying you or calling you for this service, that you need to track how this person is influenced or motivated to buy this product. So it involves many things, like how good you are visually representing your brand, what are the touch point they are actually working. So here it is a little bit of understanding of the whole process. The journey map started from awareness, like how they are getting awareness about the product. Are they influenced by any video? Are they getting this information on the search engine? So it is not true that every customer will use the same customer journey. So for example, somebody just visit your website and then he contact you. Some other customer interact through email because you send him a promotional email and he responded, or the social media engagement, like he saw your video and he likes the way you present your product or service. And there are some offline marketing as well, like you shared it, you make a conversation about your service to your friend circle and somebody interested in this. So the insights of this journey is very important, like how many real customer you found through digital media. That is a big question for a digital marketer. So at first instance you need to map the whole journey of a customer, how he is to your website, and then you work on all those channels and touch point. That is going to optimize your time. But is it very easy? No, that is not so easy, because the holistic approach requires a lot of content creation, quality content creation, doing some research and satisfying the customer. That is very important. So we learned two major things here. One is CRO, that means conversion rate optimization. We understand there is a customer journey mapping involving any conversion, any kind of sale. So it involves documenting and visualizing the every interaction of your customer. It doesn't matter whether your business is very small or big. This rule is applicable for all. The mapping process identify different customer persona, like you understand the persona of the customer, who is your actual customer, like in behavior. In terms of persona means you are identifying your customer with some sort of behavior, like what kind of product they use, what kind of service they like. So as a result, you can get better idea about your customer. So this is very important. Are they visiting your website or opening your email? Are they doing any sort of engagement to your social media content? That is very important. And then it comes different type of offline touch point, like phone calls, store visit, or customer service interaction. Now, as a part of this game, we are already involved in this digital marketing world. That means we are consumer of some product. How you purchase your last gadget and what were the interesting thing, like you select a brand and go to their shop and buy a product. What influenced you in buying that product? So in that case, is that reputation of the brand, is it a local brand, is it very close to your living place? These are very important. So journey map highlights the points like the moment of delight, the opportunity for improvement, and understanding these 2 points is very important. When this customer is delighted by your product, how they are reacting based on after getting this service. So the review is very important. Getting some good review on your social media page, on your Google review, etc. So the target of working on this CRO and customer journey, actually doing maximum work of digital marketing optimization. You are working each individual touch point and improving their performance, and as a result you are getting a good outcome. So what we have learned so far: the CRO and customer journey mapping. In CRO, what are the major points we need to focus on? First, increasing the percentage of visit. More and more people visiting your website, more and more people visiting your social media, that means there is a chance of conversion. You are doing different A/B testing. If A is not working, going to B, analyzing their behavior, what kind of specific people are actually interested in your product and service, and considering the psychological factor, that is very important, and creating some social proof of your product. Here we also discuss about the customer journey. You are visualizing how people are coming to your site or your store. You are identifying that moment of delight, and also working on understanding their persona, their unique conversion path, and optimizing all those areas. Now, as a beginner, how we can start this? Especially when you are doing SEO as a human without help of AI, you are focusing on the content. You want to create engaging content, keyword reach, and human generated content. When you are applying AI agent to do these same tasks for optimizing the AI agent, especially you are focusing on ranking your site in the Google AI based answer like Google overview or in LLM. You have to make your content more factual and structured so that AI loves your content. Here, for human focused SEO, you are creating organic content for delighting human. Discovery, there is a good chance of better search engine ranking when you are using human-centric content, focusing on human, organic conversion. Whereas in AI-based agent optimization, you are focusing on the schema, markup, and structure, especially content structure. You are creating backlinks, looking at the domain authorities who are the best domain, and they're giving you link because of your content quality, and here you are gaining the authority. In AI based model and answer, they are not looking at the backlinks, they are looking at the trust factor, the data set you are using. Are they trustable and verified? Are they getting good remarks from the actual client? So here the main factor is not the authority. Authority is decided by the validity from the customers. And then next is engagement, like how many clicks they are doing, how long they are spending the time. Here it is data extractions, like the AIs are liking your content because the data is very structured, and you are using different kind of meta tag and sitemap for human SEO focus. Here in AI agent based optimization, you are focusing on the structure and protocols. So first we are going to talk about brand awareness. You are just creating one brand, your website, and how people are going to know you as a provider or as a service provider, what kind of service you are going to give. So that is the thing, how people are going to recognize you as a brand. Are you helpful for them? Not you are not helpful for everyone. You are helpful for a specific group of people, and it could be known for your name, it could be known for your logo or your product or the value you generally add. Think about a big brand. I'm not talking in one specific brand. How you remember them? Is it because their logo is very beautiful, or they have a strong value addition to their customer? So brand awareness and creating a brand awareness is the first thing in digital marketing. So how to create this brand awareness? So for that, trust building is very important, and trust will give you the credibility. Get more familiar with people, like promote your brand to make more and more people as it is. That means don't tell them more than your capability or your capacity, and don't underestimate you. Just give just present as you are. That is very important. So here, more familiar with people and building a kind of brand is like winning the trust as a product or as a service. If we think about a big brand like say the best brand for electronics, ABCD brand is the first choice for you. Why? Because it has a reputation. You can recognize this brand very easily. It is very close to your location. So here the most important thing is EEAT. What does it mean? It also sounds like EAT. That means experience, expertise, and authority and trust. Let them experience what you are giving. Let your customer choose you because you are expert in this particular field, and build an authority by showing something beneficial for them, and that will definitely create a trust. So why say Google is so popular? Because Google has a reputation. It has the expertise of searching any content, and it has the authority to tell you that okay, this is a good product for you. But the question is that, is it 100% true in doing this? That is a matter of question. You can comment on this, that yeah, it is a trusted brand because of this. No, it is not a trusted brand because of this. But when you are dealing with digital marketing, you have to work on this area for your brand. So here the significance of digital marketer is very important. The person who want to become a digital marketer, he needs to understand how to use different techniques like digital PR, press releases, and SEO techniques, so that your brand has all those factors like the expertise, the experience, and everything that we discuss now. So how it is possible? You have to show your leadership in some areas. You have to strengthen your brand value by more online presence. You have to help the actual customer with the right information and right service, and that will increase your brand value. Once people will know you as a brand, they will buy from you. So don't try to sell anything, first try to build the brand. So brand, because everyone is selling, and if you want to do the same thing, you will be in the same path. So brand building required something like you have enough good quality content when people are searching on internet for this specific product. You are leading in terms of your content quality, and your marketing campaigns are more effective because they are sending the right message to the people. So here, when you get more backlinks, and backlinks is possible when you are releasing some digital PR, which is very important for now for better optimization. And here the journalist can play a very significant role, especially PR journalist, and a well-known brand use the journalist to review their product on their premium newspaper, website, and blog. And because people trust a journalist, and that's the way brand generally promote their brand value. And stronger brand awareness make a good brand, and that is like a investment. That is, so sometimes people call SEO is an extra cost. SEO is not a cost, or digital marketing is not a cost. It is actually an investment, because it is indirectly improving your brand value for the long run. So if you think it like this, then that is definitely a very good investment. So as I told you, that it is not a cost, it is actually amplifying your business somehow, like louder your voice in terms of some service or activities. That means you are getting more and more visibility. So that will increase your traffic, that will increase your ranking on search engine. So dear friend, we already have idea about the paid PPC, pay per cost advertisement, search engine marketing kind of thing. So here the trust played a very significant role in high click-through rate. How? Because you will click only the brand that you can trust. You are going to click only the brand that is a little bit familiar to you. So a higher CTR signals that Google actually consider your content as a valuable source, and that's why it is listing your website at the top. So as long as you are not capable to build the brand, people will, especially your traffic, will not trust you as a reliable source. So for higher click-through rate, it is very necessary to work on the brand awareness. So the question is, how can digital PR and SEO can increase your brand awareness, and how AI can help you with that? That is our point of discussion in the next part. Suppose a new company get a good review in New York Times Post as a restaurant. I got a good review. Now what is the result? Because of this recent review, he will get a new bunch of customers who are subscriber of New York Post or New York Times. So here only one PR review is giving a very good conversion. How? Because of the digital media, the audience is now wider. That means you are going to reach more and more number of audience. Similarly, when your review is published in a local newspaper, your brand position is getting a kind of boost. So SEO and digital PR both work together. These are like complementing each other. When you are only writing a lot of content on your own website and nobody else is backlinking it as a valuable content, it is like creating a huge amount of content which is useless, like junk. So some brand actually get visibility not only using their content, they do content marketing to another website, another newspaper or media for improving their brand value. So that actually create an engagement. So improving rank required this kind of PR. So I'm here giving importance to writing more and more PR to other blog, other website, other social media page, etc. Now there is a big question: should I prioritize SEO or broader digital marketing for more attention, immediate attention? Now it is a matter of research. Like if you want to get return for a long term, like you want more and more visitor for future, then work on SEO, because SEO requires some time. It is not easy to optimize a site very quickly within a few months, and you are leading because of your content. So SEO requires some time, whereas in digital marketing or SEM, the result is faster than SEO. So it is very practical and cost effective for the long term growth if you work on SEO. When your site rank high, you get constant good quality visitor from search engine and their organic visitor, so the conversion rate could be very high. However, SEO is a kind of slow burner. That means typically when you are working for 6 months and you are not seeing any significant result, you have to use your patience for that, because immediately conversion and traffic is not easy in SEO. You have to build the trust. In case of digital marketing, in like social media marketing or paid advertisement, you can get the customer very quickly because they are coming from social media ad, influencer campaign, and different kind of display ad. So it offers a kind of visibility, but the question is that if you cannot give them high quality service, then these will again be a wastage. So you have to build your product as a quality product. Say your website is a job site and it is giving job to people who are searching for job. If your website is aggregating very good quality number of job listing, and those listings are helpful for the searcher, then definitely people will come back again to your website. Or if your site is very quickly getting some subscriber and getting some paid subscription from the users, and actually you are not providing them good quality source for the job, then it will not work. So PPC ads are good for those companies those have already a built-in product and product quality is very high. They only need the visibility so that they reach to maximum number of customer, and customer can easily get benefited from the product. So PPC is especially for the people who want to launch their product and for a short time, like an event, or very quickly they want to reach some sales goal. Whereas SEO is for those who want to build really product that is going to be helpful for most number of people, and the ROI will be higher in the long run, Maybe you'll get a 25% higher return when you are doing PPC or paid marketing, but SEO will give you a better ROI when you optimize the site for human. So small and medium business, they need to spend time for SEO, whereas large enterprise can quickly spend a large amount of money for the campaign and they can get quick results. So the most successful business in 2025 are using the combination of both strategy. That means they are also using SEO and SEM both together for reaching more number of people. So very quickly, I want to summarize what we have discussed. We will continue this class in the next episode, but here we understand what is digital marketing. If you want to use it for your own brand, you understand how to create brand awareness, why it is important, what is SEO, and why SEO is important, who is for SEO purpose, what kind of things you need to do, or for SEM purpose, what you need to do. When it is a e-commerce kind of business, it impacts, and especially digital marketing is very significant part of any e-commerce business in today's world. So here, with the help of AI, you can personalize your content for your target customer. With the help of AI, you can set a chatbot that can interact with the customer support, that is reducing the cost of manpower and the problem due to human error, because chatbot can answer accurately both in text and voice format. So already many companies already adopted this, and we need to find out the tools that is more efficient in regarding that. And predictive analysis, understanding the predictive analysis now, like how AI can analyze the customers related data and predict the future behavior, like who is going to buy your product and how this campaign is going to work. So marketer use these insights to segment the customers, and then they those customers are experiencing the display ads and all those things. So a predictive analysis help you to optimize the campaign budget. Because many companies are burning a lot of money on their campaign. So if they do the predictive analysis, then it will definitely save a lot of wastage of marketing budget, and it will improve the ROI as well. And in terms of content generation, especially when you are using AI, content generations are more descriptive, but human touch is very important here, because AI constantly share you a lot of information. Human generally don't share only information because it is not human-like things. So there are many emotions involved, psychology involved, many things involved. So marketer use these tools for generating more content fast, and that will help them in creating the brand awareness. And the point is that AI is accurate. Of course, it makes mistakes, but better than human. And when it is presented with a human touch, it is like a personalized experience, easy experience for human. Because AI doesn't understand how people is going to take your content, they just flooded you with the information. So human oversight is very important here for brand alignment. With suppose you have a brand and AI has written a description about it, you need to check it whether it is aligned to your brand. AI-based advertisement is no doubt very helpful in e-commerce, especially AI-driven ads are more imagining. The creativity is more in those things. You can create a video or very nice graphics using that very fast. You need to hire a professional graphics designer for that. But the marketer can scale this campaign through AI by doing the right kind of research, looking at more the customer a segmentation and then tailor this message with a personalized touch. So in the future class we'll discuss about this more. For today it is time to sign off, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next episode. Till then, take care, and see you in the next episode. Have a good evening.